number of whooping cough cases in the Missoula area has doubled. Missoula City County health officials said Tuesday that there are now 14 confirmed cases since the first cases were reported on April 26th. 500 people are considered to have been in close contact with those confirmed to have pertussis. 8 Missoula area schools have reported cases, and a case has been confirmed south of Missoula in Lolo. Whooping cough is a highly contagious respiratory disease caused by a type of bacteria. It can affect people of all ages, but can be serious, even deadly, for babies less than a year old. There is a vaccine to protect against the disease.